This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Uconnect version and exact screen resolution. This ensures the image fits and avoids distortion. Once confirmed, format a USB drive to FAT32 and clear unrelated files so the unit reads only your image. Create the splash artwork at the correct pixel size and export it as a BMP or PNG. Name the file exactly as the system expects. For many challengers, that is splash. BMP, because the head unit looks for that exact file name to replace. You now copy the splash file to the USB drive using the exact folder and file name structure the head unit expects. Some models require the image in the root directory, others a /splash or /uconnect folder. Make sure capitalization and extension match. The system is case-sensitive on some firmware versions. Once copied, verify file size and format, then eject the drive cleanly so no file table corruption occurs. Doing this prevents the unit from skipping or ignoring your new splash image. You finish by inserting the USB into the Challenger with the ignition off. Then start the vehicle and allow Uconnect to boot completely. Do not interrupt the boot sequence. The system will read the USB and replace the splash during initialization. Once done, remove the drive. If it doesn't change, shut down, remove power, try the process again with a freshly formatted drive and single image file. If problems persist, delete the file or use the head unit's restore option to revert to the factory splash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.